Pregnancy is a beautiful and challenging phase of a woman's life. It's time when you need to take extra care of yourself, both physically and mentally. One of the essential aspects of healthy pregnancy is proper nutrition. But do you know what to eat and what not to? What are the nutrients that your body requires during pregnancy? And how can you maintain a balanced diet while dealing with food cravings and morning sickness? Don't worry. In this video, we will guide you through the basics of pregnancy, nutrition, and healthy eating. Pregnancy is a crucial period for both the mother and the child. During this period, your body goes through several changes that require additional nutrients and calories to support fetal growth and development. The right nutrition during pregnancy can help prevent various complications such as preterm delivery, low birth weight, and birth defects. Therefore, it is crucial to understand what to eat and what to avoid during pregnancy. Essential nutrients for pregnancy. Let's start by discussing the essential nutrients that are necessary for a healthy pregnancy. First, folic acid. It is crucial for the development of the baby's neural tube and brain. Foods rich in folic acid include leafy greens, citrus fruits, legumes, and fortified cereals. Second, iron. It helps produce hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen in your blood. Foods rich in iron include red meat, poultry, fish, beans, and spinach. Third, calcium. It is essential for the development of the baby's bones and teeth. Foods rich in calcium include milk, cheese, yogurt, tofu, and fortified orange juice. Fourth, protein. It helps build the body's organs, muscles, and tissues. Foods rich in protein include lean meat, fish, poultry, eggs, beans, and nuts. Fifth, omega-3 fatty acids. They are crucial for development of the baby's brain and eyes. Foods rich in omega-3s include fatty fish, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Now let's discuss foods to avoid during pregnancy. Now that we know what nutrients to include, let's look at the foods that you should avoid during pregnancy. First, raw or uncooked meat, fish, or eggs. They may contain harmful bacteria that can cause food poisoning. Second, unpasteurized dairy products. They may contain harmful bacteria such as listeria. Third, processed foods. They are often high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Fourth, caffeine. High caffeine intake can increase the risk of miscarriage. Fifth, alcohol. It can cause various birth defects and developmental disorders in the baby. Tips for healthy pregnancy diet. Now that we have a basic understanding of what to eat and what not to eat, let's look at some tips to maintain a healthy pregnancy diet. First, eat a variety of foods to ensure that you get all the essential nutrients. Second, eat small, frequent meals to prevent nausea and heartburn. Third, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and fluids. Fourth, avoid excessive weight gain by sticking to a balanced diet and regular exercise. Fifth, talk to your doctor to ensure that you are meeting all the necessary nutritional requirements. In conclusion, pregnancy nutrition and healthy eating are essential for the health of both the mother and the baby. A balanced diet with adequate nutrients can help prevent various complications during pregnancy and ensure healthy fetal growth and development. By including the right foods and avoiding the wrong ones, you can maintain a healthy pregnancy diet. Remember to consult your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching.